Okay, so Mikhail, are you able to hear me?
Yes, I can hear you well.
Okay, that's very good. So Mikhail, today we are going to work on the sacral chakra because last session we work on the root chakra. So this session based on sacral, and one by one we will complete every chakra. So we will start with some mantras because you are with me on the tantric spiritual journey. So I will teach you everything. The mantra power, the spiritual practices, the tantric practices, and the different rituals we will do together. Okay?
Okay.
How's your energy? Are you feeling good, happy, or not?
Yes, I good. Yes, I feel
Yes.
good.
That's very good. And I want you for this every time work hard on your yoga, on your physical exercise, do running. You need to work hard on it. And in a 1 month, you have to show me results.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay. Yes.
Okay, that's very good. So we will do a little bit stretching to warm up, and then we will start the breathing exercise and then meditation. Okay?
Okay.
So we will do stretching with that shoulder exercise that you know and you really do well, like this, and move. Perfect. Increase the flexibility of your shoulders, of your joint with this. Very good. Okay, now do back side. Very good. Now relax. Okay. Now we will do the stretching of the back with this motion. Back side. You need to do back side. Stretch back like this. Release. Stretch back. Hold. Release. And now you need to add with this your breath, because when your breath is not connected, there is no yoga. Only there is exercises. So what you need to do, when you move yourself like this back, so you need to inhale and then hold your breath. When you're coming forward, so exhale. Okay? So we will do this 10 times. Let's start. Hold your breath. Good. Now hold it. Now release.
Yes.
Now release. Do it again. You have to take back, inhale and hold. Okay? Inhale.
Yes.
Release. Very good. With the exhalation. Let's do again. Release. Good. Do one more time. Release. Keep repeat. Release. Now we will do fast. We will not do holding. We will inhale and exhale. Relax. Very good. Now we will do the stretching of our sides. Take your hand on the floor, straight. Take your one hand up like this and stretch. And slide your hands like that. Slide, come back. Keep doing. Keep doing. 2, good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Now do another side, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, relax. Now sit in the diamond pose on your knees. Sit on diamond pose. Yes. Now you need to do like this. I cannot do right now because I ate something. Okay? So you need to take your hand like this. Touch your thumb with your little finger. Down, down, here. Down.
Okay.
Here.
Okay.
Here. Yes.
Yeah.
Now close.
Okay.
Good. And now put your hands here. Down. More down. Yes. Little close. Like me. And here. Down. Okay?
Yeah.
Be like this. Yes.
Yes.
Here. Now connect here. And now inhale. Inhale. Hold. And now bend down and hold your breath. Hold. And when you feel you cannot hold more, so just come up with exhalation. You understand what you need to do?
Yes.
So you need to inhale, hold your breath, bend down, keep holding, and when you're coming up, exhale.
Okay.
Do this. This is very good exercise for your liver, for your kidney, for your digestion system. And try to hold more, 3 seconds, 4 seconds. Increase your timing of holding. Okay, relax. Okay, now sit in a relaxation posture. Now we will do the breathing exercises. So we will do the Vastrika with the Tantric way. And it will affect better than other Vastrika exercises. So you need to inhale and exhale with the force, but deep inhaling and long exhaling with that. Like that. Very good. Okay, relax. Good. So now you have to lift your chest up when you inhaling. When you exhaling, down. You have to move up. Only your body. Don't move whole body. Only move your chest. Like that. Yes. Okay, relax. Now do the Vishnu Mudra and use your left hand. No, left hand.
Okay.
Yes, and now block your left nostril. And now do the same exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Another side. Do another side. Now use the same hand. Use same hand. Block.
Okay.
Use your finger, index finger to block. Like that.
Okay.
What happened? Good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Good. So now we will do the Kapalbhati exercise. Okay, we will do 50 times. 50 times means 1 in a 1 second you have to do sit in a Gyan Mudra like this with me, and you need to squeeze your stomach in, exhale through your nostril like that.
Okay.
Good. Next now. Now we will do the different variation that is more effective than this. You need to inhale deep, then exhale with the force, then use your mouth for exhaling.
Okay.
Till the end of, you have to exhale your everything out, your carbon dioxide. Inhale, use your force, then like that. Do it. I will see. Deep inhaling, deep inhale. Do exhaling with your stomach in, and use your mouth, and keep squeeze your stomach in with exhaling.
Yeah.
Repeat. Do like this. And you're exhaling through your mouth. Like this. Okay, relax. Okay. Good. This is the second variation. I hope your both nostrils are working now. Your both nostrils working. Check. You can check.
Yes.
Working both.
Yes.
There is no blockage in your nose.
No. No. No blockage.
Okay. So now we will do the another breathing exercise. Okay, this is the last one. We will do 10 times and then we will start the meditation.
Okay.
So this is the exercise. You have to practice this exercise that I'm teaching you. You know, only 10 times, 20 times you have to use this. Whatever I'm teaching. Okay?
Okay.
Now you have to inhale for, you need to start with the 2-4-8 ratio. Inhale for 2 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. And exhale for 8 seconds. I'll show you first, then you need to practice this. This is the advanced practice of the breathing. It will give you very powerful effect and it will increase your spiritual energies. Okay? The Himalayan yogis, they practice only these exercises, but they use different ratios. How you need to do, I'm just giving you, you need to count inside. I will just show you, but you need to count in your mind. Okay?
Okay.
So how you need to do, start, first exhale. Everything exhale first and then start inhaling. I inhale for 2 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, and exhale for 8 seconds. If you are not able to exhale for 8 seconds, do 6 seconds.
Okay.
But don't force yourself because exhalation is most important part. Most important exercise is exhaling. If you want to heal yourself, if you want to cure any disease in your mind and body, so you have to exhale. As much as you exhale long, you can heal yourself.
Okay.
So start and show me how you will do. If something's wrong, so I will tell you again. Feeling uneasiness through your nostril. So in the beginning, you can use your mouth for exhaling. Okay, but better is nose. But if you something, so in the beginning you can use your mouth. But you need to create that power. When you done, so you can open your eyes. Okay. observe your breath. Train your mind on counting. Give work to your mind. Mind will count. So you cannot think anything else. Okay, relax. This is very powerful breathing exercise. You need to practice every day only this exercise. These two for listening, Bhastrika and Kapalbhati, and you need to do only this exercise. Don't do anything else. Only do this exercise with the ratio of 2-4-8. 2-4-8. Every day practice 2 inhalation, 4 holding, 8 exhalation. Only practice this 10 times, 20 times, 30 times, as much as you can. Only this exercise you need to do. Okay?
Yes, okay.
Any question you want to ask something about this exercise? Or you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. If something you didn't understand, so just tell me. Okay?
Okay.
So now we will start the breathing exercises, or means the mantra and the meditation. Or you can put the water near about you, that drinking water. So we will energize with the mantra. Okay? I will energize the water, so it will give you positivity, positive energies, and it will heal your diseases.
Okay.
Just you can take a support of the wall for your comfortable. You will feel comfortable and sit comfortable totally. Because I am going to chant the mantras, the Ganesha mantra, the Guru mantra, the Shiv mantra, and the Shakti mantra. And then the chakra, the solar. Today we are working on Sakra. You have to focus every mantra. You have to just visualize the symbol of that, deity. And you already travel India and you know about Ganesha, about Shiva, about Shakti. So you know about everything. So you can visualize better and you can feel the energies inside. Okay?
Okay.
Good. So just relax yourself and do this mudra. Connect and thumb up like this. Down. No, you can put down, there is no problem. But your thumb should be like a triangle. You
Okay.
need to create triangle with your thumb.
Yeah.
Okay, put it down. Yes, this is right. Be comfortable, okay?
Yes, okay.
And just observe your breath, inhale and exhale, and stop thinking anything else, and receive powers, energies, purity from this universe and from the deities that we will chant the mantras. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा ॐ गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परमब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परमब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परमब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परमब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परमब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवामि सहितं नमामि ॐ कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवामि सहितं नमामि ॐ कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवामि सहितं नमामि ॐ कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवामि सहितं नमामि कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवामि सहितं नमामि ॐ काली काली महाकाली कालिके परमेश्वरी सर्वानंदकरे देवी नारायणी नमोस्तुते ॐ काली काली महाकाली कालिके परमेश्वरी सर्वानंदकरे देवी नारायणी नमोस्तुते ॐ काली काली महाकाली कालिके परमेश्वरी सर्वानंदकरे देवी नारायणी नमोस्तुते ॐ काली काली महाकाली कालिके परमेश्वरी सर्वानंदकरे देवी नारायणी नमोस्तुते ॐ काली काली महाकाली कालिके परमेश्वरी सर्वानंदकरे देवी नारायणी Vam Namah Om Namah Om Vam Namah Om Vam Namah Om Namah Om Namah Om Vam 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 Om Vam 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 Now I'm going to chant the Kundalini mantra, the very powerful mantra of Mahashakti. Just visualize your Kundalini is awakening and going up in your chakras with the power of that mantra. Om Mahadi Shakti Kundalini Namo Namah. 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 Om Mahadi Shakti शक्ति कुंडलिनी नमो नमः। This is the Kundalini Vedic mantra to activate the power of the serpent inside you. And every day, if you are working on the root chakra, you need to chant 108 times Om Lam Namah, Om Lam Namah. Focus on the root chakra. And after that, you have to chant 11 times this mantra Om Maha Adi Shakti Kundalini Namo Namaha. I will write down on your messenger so you can read it carefully, easily. Every day you have to chant this Kundalini mantra 11 times minimum. Or if you have more times, you can chant 21 times, 54 times, or 108 times. It's only up to you. But you have to do early in the morning when you wake up, when you clean everything, when you take a bath. After taking bath, you can do yoga, your sun salutation, 12 sun salutation, and then do these 3 breathing exercise, Bhastrika, Kapalbhati, and then 2 inhalation, 4 holding, 8 exhalation. You need to do 3 exercise. Okay, and then you have to do meditation on the mantra meditation. And Monday for root, Tuesday for sacral, Wednesday for solar plex, Thursday for heart, Friday for throat, Saturday for third eye, and Sunday for your crown chakra. 7 days, 7 chakra, 7 mantras, 7 practices. I will teach you everything. Right now you learn 2 practices. First root, the second is the practice of your sacral. Everything will be same. The yoga will be same in all on the practices. Your breathing exercise will be same, but the mantra will change only seed sound. Only seed sound you need to change only every time.
Okay.
For your solar plexus, you need to do Om Ram Namah. And for your heart chakra, Om Yam Namah. And for your throat chakra, Om Hum Namah. For your eye chakra, that you can do Om Om only, the sound of Om, the light. And for your crown chakra, you have to chant Shivoham, Shivoham, Shivoham. The mantra will change only seed sound, but the Kundalini mantra will be same. So you have to fix your number or do the same pattern. If you're doing Monday for 11 times your Kundalini mantra, so you will do 11 times for week. If you do 21 times, so you will do, don't do come less or more. You have to fix how much time you will do. Okay, and you have to update me. You need to message me how much time you chant that mantra, so I will follow up.
Okay.
So today is the mantra of sacral. So now take the water in your hand. I am going to teach you how to energize the water for yourself. What affirmation you need to say that? You need to energize because you are very interested in the Hinduism. You are very connected with the Vedic culture, with the Hinduism culture, with Hindu culture. So I can give you, you can energize with the mantra of Gayatri. If you really love the mantra, you can chant the Gayatri mantra because you feel yourself, Hinduism. So that's why. So I'm giving you the Gayatri mantra. So you have to chant 11 times Gayatri mantra to holding the water every day after your practice.
Okay.
You have to chant Om Bhur Bhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhur Bhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhur Bhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhur Bhuvasvaha तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. You have to chant mantra like this loudly.
Okay.
You put all the positive energies inside that water.
Yeah.
And then you need to, before the drinking, you need to imagine, you need to feel, I'm going to drink this energized water, and when I will drink, this water will heal every disease of my body, every disease of my mind, and it will create beautiful energy inside me, and I will feel more spiritual, more connected with myself. With that imagine you need to drink. So now you can drink that water and feel everything is healing inside you. Every disease is healing. You don't have any disease now. Just drink this water. Very good. So you have to do this every day. So Monday I told you, so you have to, I will upload as soon as possible this video. So watch it, and whatever I said, you have to follow that. Okay? Everything will be same. Your yoga will be same. Your breathing exercise will be same. Only the mantra will change every day. Your seed sound of chakra and the Kundalini mantra will be same.
Okay.
We will do this practice for 21 days. And after that, I will change the practice. I will see your growth, your dedication, and then I will change the methods.
Okay.
You like this exercise, right?
Yes, very much.
That's why I've given you this, because you love the mantras, you love breathing exercises, you love Hindu culture, Indian culture. So that's why I want to give you, because you have that dedication, and I really love to teach you. And I want to do, you need to grow. So you can do something in your life better, and we can, work like this together. And we can heal people, and we can teach people. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
And keep up
Thank you.
always. Always. I'm here with you always. I'm here to support you every time. Whenever you need, just text me, call me whenever you feel anything. Okay? Don't feel alone. Be happy and enjoy your life with this beautiful energy that you created today.
Yeah.
I meet you on Monday. Now?
Yes.
Okay. So I meet you on Monday. So you have to practice and keep updated.
Okay.
Okay. If you have any doubt, so you can ask me. You can text me.
Okay.
Take care.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.